Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some active conditions across the region this morning, seeing some moderate rainfall across the area. Currently temperatures in the mid-50s. Should see temperatures rise near 60 today as we have an area of low pressure moving through the region. We'll also see a chance of some thunderstorms. Once we move into the late morning and the afternoon hours, looks like our best chance of seeing that occurring today. We'll also see some slightly breezy easterly, northeasterly winds today as well, so unsettled, wet, and possibly stormy day across the region. Taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see those rain showers lifting through the region this morning, seeing some heavier rainfall just off the south with a area of heavier shower moving towards a region that was a thunderstorm, so we'll have to continue to monitor this cell for possible lightning development, but right now it doesn't look likely. We'll continue to see this rainfall in the area today, and looks like we could see near an inch of rainfall across the region, especially any of that pop-up shower or thunderstorm activity for the late morning, the afternoon hours. Should see some heavier rainfall with that activity and could see some locations over an inch of rainfall across the region. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 10,000 feet, winds out of the southeast at 23 knots in low levels, and seeing those winds become more southwesterly in the mid-levels between 20 and 30 knots, and seeing our winds out of the south-southwest at 25,000 feet at 36 knots this morning. Our surface analysis shows this area low pressure currently across the Virginia-North Carolina border moving towards our region. It's going to give us those unsettled conditions today. We'll have high pressure briefly build in tomorrow before we have another area low pressure impact our region for Saturday. So taking a quick look at our lightning picture across the region this morning, see all the lightning off the coast. Did see a good amount of lightning just south of the region with that cell that I mentioned when looking at the radar, but that has quickly decreased across the area, and we'll continue to monitor the lightning picture today for any light advisories or warnings. Looking at the satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have some higher cloud tops across the region, plentiful cloud cover, seeing a few breaks to our south and just off the coast. Associated with this boundary moving through the region, and below that or south of that we're seeing some breaks in the cloud cover. Any breaks in the cloud cover just to increase our instability for this afternoon and give us a better chance of seeing a thunderstorm. And take a look at the HER model for today. We'll see those showers and thunderstorms possible for this afternoon into the evening hours with the activity ending by about 8 o'clock this evening or 20 local, and then overnight should just see some fog build in the region. For our European model, looking the next few days, that area low pressure tracks through the region today. Then we'll see a prefrontal trough move through the region on Saturday morning. That's going to give us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. We'll see a cold front move through for Saturday afternoon and the evening. That's going to give us a chance of some isolated thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong, as we will have, a better wind environment for some stronger storms. The amount of moisture and also the forcing for that is going to be fairly weak on Saturday, so most likely just some isolated storms and primarily north of the region. As we move into Sunday, we'll see a weak trough moving through the region that could give us a brief sprinkle, most likely just some more cloudiness across the region. And then for Monday, for our bolt launch, we're going to have a good amount of high pressure in the region. We'll have a weak boundary trying to move through the area later Monday afternoon, but that's just going to be a dry boundary, going to give us some warmer weather ahead of that, and looking like mostly clear skies expected for Monday. Into Tuesday, we'll see that area high pressure linger across the region. We'll see a storm system starting to develop across the Midwest and the southern plain states moving towards our region. That's going to give us some active weather, looks like, for possibly Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 60, as I mentioned, a low tonight at 48. We'll see northeasterly winds possibly gusting as high as 21 knots today. We'll see rain likely for this morning into the afternoon hours, and then tapering that with chances during the late afternoon, the evening hours. We'll see the best chance of lightning from now through about 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then slightly less chance at 30% beyond that until about 1800 local. And as I mentioned, we'll have a 50% chance of that lightning for this morning into the early afternoon hours. We'll see low clouds in the region today and throughout the overnight hours with some fog developing. With that lighter wind tomorrow morning, variable 3 to 6 knots, we'll see a good chance of some fog in the region or low clouds. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see lower cloud ceilings in the region today. I expected that to build in around 500 feet or lower for the afternoon hours. And as I mentioned, 50% chance of thunderstorm from now until about 1500 local. or 1400 local, and then a 30% chance thereafter until 1800 local. We'll see slight chances of rain until about 1900 local today, after 1800 local, but overall should see that rain shower activity move out of the region after 6 p.m. As far as tomorrow morning goes, going to have some low clouds in the region, some fog, or patchy fog in the region, so should see that burn off by about mid-morning with some warmer conditions for Friday. Our tides are currently running normal, and for Friday and Saturday, Friday low clouds and fog early, then partly cloudy and warm, chance of low clouds by late afternoon, moving back in the region, a high of 69 degrees. Friday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, the chance of showers, thunderstorms, especially towards dawn, a low of 52. And for Saturday, mostly cloudy to overcast, chances of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly cloudy and breezy with an isolated shower thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening. It will be warm with a high of 73 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at 60 degrees today, with the rain likely across the region, 69 tomorrow for our Friday, 73 for Saturday, a 60% chance of rainfall during the morning with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then isolated showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening with only a 30% chance for the afternoon and evening. And for Sunday and Monday, we'll see temperatures above average, seeing temperatures in the lower to mid-60s, more cloud cover on Sunday. Then on Mondays, we'll see a good amount of sunshine on Monday. Then Tuesday into Wednesday next week looks like we'll have a chillier area, high pressure built in for Tuesday and Wednesday, more cloud cover as well, so we should see temperatures capping out in the upper 50s to the mid 50s with a chance of some rainfall moving in by Wednesday of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.